So SuperConference has been great this year in 2014. We've had some wonderful attendees. We had GCs of private companies, public companies. We've had law firm attorneys here. And I think the takeaway from everyone that I've talked to is they really like the sessions that we've had. We've had a lot of focus on areas that are top of mind for general counsel and for in-house and outside attorneys. People have talked about how they've liked the focus on ethics and compliance. We've had several workshops and panels on that. We've also talked about some of the technology issues, data security, social media, some of those topics. So it's really an event that focuses on areas that are really top of mind concerns for attorneys, and it's a place where they can come together and network, hear some thought leaders, and really talk about what to do going forward. We already start at the end of SuperConference 2014. We start looking ahead to SuperConference 2015. But before that, we have an event upcoming in September. It's called the Women Influence and Power in Law event. We had our first annual event last year in DC. We're doing it again in DC this year, and it's a great event. It's focusing on women attorneys, in-house counsel, bringing their thought leadership to outside counsel, really getting them together, networking, talking about top-of-mind issues. But it's focused on that empowerment of women, and it's something that we're really pushing this year. Yeah, so we've got a lot of exciting things going forward in our magazine. We've got it set up with several different areas of discussion. So one of the areas that we talk about is technology in the law. So we're really pushing innovative law departments, and we're going to have the IC10 there. So companies that have law departments that are using technology for their law department management or any solutions they've developed in-house or with outside providers. We're really focusing on that. We've got a big intellectual property push. We're talking about patent issues. There's a lot going on in the Supreme Court and on Capitol Hill, talking about patent reform. So we're talking a lot about intellectual property. We also focus on litigation. We've got some cross-border litigation topics coming up, and of course what's going on inside the boardroom and how the GCs relate there. So it's a lot of exciting topics both in the magazine and on the website.